fous de moi ou quoi?
I've just managed to tie the whole thing off, and you can see there are some ties here, and it's buffeting, but at least it's standing by itself, whereas earlier on it took two men to hold it down. Now I thought that's the view that I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the rocks to appear and the light to come up. These clouds have just come into the equation, and I don't think it's going to happen. There's Bill down. It's the last of the dying light. There's the rocks exposed, and you can more or less see the circle that it makes. It's freezing! There's Bill, last of the light.
Tu te fous de moi ou quoi? Tu te fous de moi ou quoi? Tu te fous de moi ou quoi?
It was a two-man job to anchor off the easel with chords and carabinas before I put the canvas on. It took two of us to put the canvas on. What you can't see in the picture are the three heavy-duty clips just anchoring the canvas to the easel and then corded off and staked into the ground. I found my gloves and I was so pleased because my hands were quite numb.
Tu te fous de moi ou quoi? Tu te fous de moi ou quoi? Tu te fous de moi ou quoi?